to my channel. So today here I am going to be doing a review. No, today is not going to be a review. Today is going to be an unboxing and a first impressions on a skincare brand called Skincode. Now they have sent me this beautiful hamper here with a couple of their products, and nicely wrapped and packed. They have put my name over here at the tag, and right now I'm just going to be unwrapping basically this hamper and opening up these products and showing it to you all and talking about these products. So basically this is an Alpine white range, and so let me tell you about Skincode. Skincode is basically a Swiss brand, and it's a premium brand, so definitely the prices are going to be slightly on the higher side, but let me tell you that these products are worth investing in. Now, to be really honest, now when we are reviewing products and when we get so many of these skin products, you need to give your products at least 2 to 3 weeks to understand the product and to see if it works or not. Now, the kind of products that we keep getting all the time, we cannot, just once we get it, we cannot review it for you. So here I am just going to be giving you a gist of what products I have with me. Now after using these products, I'm going to make another video to share with you all how these products actually fared and if they worked or they didn't work for me. So I'm going to be doing another video very soon, in a month, and tell you how these products actually worked. I'm super excited to actually try out these products because whatever I've heard about these products, I've heard a lot about this particular brand and how much it actually works. So I've heard about the sleeping mask, the night mask, I have heard about the eye contour serums and stuff like that. It has given me some kind of kick, and if any of you guys are actually using any of the Skincode products, please do let me know how you like the products that you are using down in the comment section, and let's just get started with this, otherwise I'll go on and on talking. Okay then, so here I have my Skincode tag with my name and a pretty bowl. I don't feel like opening it, but chalo. Okay, and that's a lovely basket. You ask me where I get my DIY ideas from? When things like this happen to come at home, that's where I get my DIY ideas from. So here is the basket, and here are the products. So they have sent me around 6 products here, and they have sent me 2 napkins. How cute. So here with me I have the extra gentle resurfacing cream, and here I have the daily defense and recovery oil. Then here I have brightening overnight mask. This is the one I was talking about. Then here I have 24-hour cell energizing creme, and here the brightening eye contour cream, which again I was talking about, and purifying cleansing gel. So these are the products that have been given to me, and amazing reviews I have heard about from these products, like this one, the brightening overnight brightening mask. And what I've heard about this is that once you use it at night, you just put on a layer of it, and this is not like your sleeping mask that it'll just create a layer on your skin or it'll look greasy and oily. It soaks into your skin in a few minutes, and then you wake up with plump baby soft skin. Like, that happens to you, and now that is something that has got me really excited about this product, and I'm definitely going to try it tonight. Apart from that, this one is the brightening eye contour cream, and this one also basically plums up your under eye, and if you have any of your eye bags or any of your dark circles or fine lines, it's going to just even it all out and give you a very good under eye. So that's one of it. Then The other one that I've heard about is I think it's this one, if this is the day cream. So this is a daily defense and recovery veil, which has SPF 30. So here this one also will protect you from the UVA. It doesn't mention UVB here, but it will definitely protect you from UVA. And this is like, if this is the right product that I've heard of, then this is a day cream, and it gives you protection from the sun, of course. But this is a brightening day cream. I've heard that, you know, the consistency of this is a little thicker, and it is a little bit like sunscreen, but then it gets absorbed into your skin and it just blends into your skin very well in just about 5 to 10 minutes. So to get that thing straight, to actually confirm if that's the same one, I'm just going to open this up and check it out for myself right now. Yes, this is the very same one, I guess. Yes. This is the very same one. So it is very light. It has very mild fragrance of a sunscreen, and it doesn't even look greasy or anything on my hand. It's quite nice. I think because I was long ago that I heard of, but I think the formula now is much more better, and it is much more lighter. It is really very nice, and it's giving my skin a nice glow already. Like, you know, you have that sheen on your skin, so that's what is giving my skin right now. It's pretty good, and I'm just gonna use it for a couple of weeks to just give you my honest review and how I liked it. Yeah, if you're thinking like, she has clear skin, do I? Everyone wants even tone skin, and even I don't have that. So I would really like to use these products and see if my skin really evens out. Now this is called Alpine White, but it doesn't mean that it's going to make you white or fair. The basic thing about whitening creams or fairness creams are, it brightens your face or your skin. So basically it is evening out your skin. It removes out all that uneven patches where you have you know, a little bit of dark patches here and there, and you have those dark spots. So it evens out your skin, making your skin look brighter. So people get confused when it comes to brightening products, whitening products. Now even whitening products will never make you like 3-4 levels, I mean tones fairer or anything. It's just a marketing strategy, and the basic thing about these products are for it to even out your skin tone, making it look like a nice canvas, a clear canvas, and for your skin to look brighter and radiant. That is the whole idea behind the brightening and whitening products. Okay, so the next one is the gel. Okay, so we have the face gel here, then the eye contouring cream, and this is a small one here. So cute. So this one too is, none of them have a very strong scent, which I really like. So this is like, you know, a gel and cream base. It's when you pump it out, it looks like a cream, but then it is of a gel consistency as well, and it just blends in really nicely, gets absorbed into the skin really well. So it doesn't feel heavy, or it doesn't feel like you have put any product on your skin, which is really nice. And that's something very important when it comes to any of your under eye creams. You try not using heavy under eye creams. And here we have the extra gentle resurfacing cream. this is the extra gentle skin resurfacing cream. Now what is this all about? So this is not a cream that we can use daily. It is it's more like an exfoliator. And how am I supposed to even explain this? Okay, so basically once you put the layer on your skin, it breaks the bonds of the dead skin cells from the new skin that's there. So when that happens, the topmost layer of your dead skin cells is just going to come off, giving you more plumber looking skin and new fresh skin. So that is why you cannot be using this more than once or twice a week. And this is a exfoliator moreover, and it's not like a daily moisturizer or a cream. So I'm looking forward to using this one as well now. And this is the one that I was talking about previously before unwrapping this one. And this is a brightening night mask, and here it is. And I'm not going to open it right now because I'm just going to wait for tonight when I'm going to go off to sleep. I'm just going to use this before going off to sleep, and I will update you guys with that on Instagram. Coming to the last product, which is the 24-hour cell energizing cream. And it looks like a jar. It is a jar. Wow, quite heavy because of the glass. So yep, this one is your moisturizer. Always been very specific about this one statement that I make in every of my skincare video is that be sure of the products that you're buying and be sure what skin type you are. Just don't buy things because I say that it's good, or I'm recommending certain things. Know what kind of products you need for your skin type. So this one now, the range that they have sent me is for my skin type, which is normal to combination. So this is my skin type, and this is the kind of products that I used for my skin type. Now you will definitely have products out there for oily, for dry skin. They're going to show you what is for what skin types. And now let me tell you one thing about this product is that you can use it on sensitive skin. So it is really good. It's mild and it is very effective even on sensitive skin. So it will not irritate your skin at all. It is also good on acne prone skin. So you can definitely use this. I would recommend not using any product really on active acne unless it's medicated and your doctor has suggested something. This is my whole unboxing or unwrapping session that I did with Skincode, and I didn't show you the napkins. I didn't see it myself actually. Open up. Oh my god, there's so much of hay in this. Small napkins. I thought they would have my name or something here, but they only had their name. Okay, so that's Skincode, and I am definitely looking forward to trying all of these products out. I'm going to give you a review on how these products worked for me at the end of next month. So yeah, it's end of June already, so by the end of July I'm going to give you a proper review on all of these products and how it worked or how it didn't work for my skin. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.